Hello friends, my name is Nilesh Sable and I am working for the solution to the drought and I am a researcher. Today I am going to share one secret method of weather modification. This secret is shared by nature with me. The weather modification technique is known as rain farming. This method is studied and developed by me only. The name of technique itself tells us that it is a type of farming and it is farming for a rain. What is a farming? As you know, it is a process where one seed gives many seeds. In short, we put little and get more. Similarly, in rain farming, we put little amount of water into the atmosphere and atmosphere gives us lot of water. Let's understand rain farming. You know that evaporation is a process by which water enters into atmosphere from land and ocean and the tops. This is a natural process and the weather of a place is highly depend upon the amount of water vapor in the air. Also weather of a place is depend on the change in water vapor amount of a place. The air of any place contains 78% of nitrogen, 20% of oxygen, and 2% of other gases. In the 2% means other gases, there is major amount of water vapor only. The amount of water vapor constantly changing. The weather of a place highly depends upon amount of water vapor in air. Unfortunately, there is no any direct method known to measure water vapor in the air. The little change in the water vapor leads to significant change in weather and it is possible to change the amount of water vapor. Generally, we try to increase water amount to get more rain. Second thing, you should know that we get rain from the clouds and clouds are totally made up of water only. When cloud comes over an area, they don't see where is the population, where is the dam, where is the farms before giving the rain. Cloud gives rain only where they get the favorable conditions. This weather modification technique makes atmospheric conditions favorable for the rain and favorable for the cloud development. The main basic of this rain farming technique is anyhow you have to add the water into the atmosphere and that is air. I found one method that when we spray water into the atmosphere or air, it disappears. It means it mixes with the air. If we do rain farming under favorable conditions, we get good results. Like farming, we need to wait for the favorable conditions. When the atmosphere is favorable, that time you will get the good results. Rain farming is technique in which adding water into atmosphere makes weather modification and increase cloud development and makes more rainfall. Now question is that how much water to add, how much to add water and where to add, what are the favorable conditions, how much water we should spray, how much time it will take to give rain and how much area it will affect. What you have to do is just get a sprayer, water sprayer of good capacity. Take 30 to 40 liters of water. Choose high elevated buildings where airflow is free. The elevation or location of experiment plays very important role. The elevation should be such that the water spread should not reach on the ground before evaporation. So whatever you spread should evaporate within the air. The noon time is good because air is sufficiently hot and it has a more moisture holding capacity. I suggest you spray 30 to 40 liters of water and not more than that. Actually quantity of water is not fixed. It needs to be decided by observing changes in the atmosphere. The higher elevation like hills is not good as there is a mountain waves. Tall buildings without any obstacle or nearby uh, obstacle is the ideal location. If any water body present near the location, it helps to enhance the results. Select the day for experiment when there is good convective development or many cumulus clouds. For experiment, person stands above tall building and acts as an antenna for the lightning. To avoid risk of the lightning, the location should be well earthened. Stand on corner or near the border of terrace and spray water in breaks. Don't spray continuously. Wait for sufficient wind. If wind is not there, don't spray. If wind is there, water will travel more distance. You will observe effect of the rain farming within a 4 to 5 hours under favorable conditions. The rainfall makes conditions favorable for 4 to 5 days. Finally, we need strength to do big things, but we need faith to do impossible things. For any further details and discussion, please write to nd.snd@rediffmail.com or call me on cell phone 9270322732. And you are free to do any work related to this rain farming without any permission. Thank you.